Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back with Tkinter, and we're going to learn how to title and size our window. So alright, let's just jump right into it. So import Tkinter. So thanks for joining us today. If you've not subscribed and hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that, because we have videos coming out all the time, and what we do here is we build one on the next. So if you don't even know what this is, guess what? I will put a card up for TK and then main loop. So we've done, this is what we did the last two videos. Okay, so stuff now, this is initiating, this is putting to screen. So now we need to do stuff in between. So we're like I said, we've done a little bit like this before. If you've been here before, and if you're out looking for Tkinter, I think you can handle two topics at one time. But we tend to only do one topic here. But this might be crazy. But this is how pretty cut and dry. All right, so the title method puts the title on it. Now, this is a little odd, and all we're going to do is the size here. This is all we're going to do. Configure, then, did I spell that right? Yeah, okay. Then we give it the width. Let's do 300. And the height. And if you've been here a while, you know what I'm about to say. This is not a spelling channel. I cannot spell. So, okay, here we go. So this is the window that we've created. That's the object. That is then the method tied to it, a title. And guess what? Takes a string. So that's going to be going to be up here in our little header line. And then it has another method for that object that we created, configure, and it takes, we can do more to it, but right now we're just doing the size. And then running our main loop, getting it to sit there and wait for more. So here we go. Window and a specific size of our choosing. So real quick video today, knocking out two little methods for Tkinter, and we'll just keep rolling with this. But as always, guys, please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. But you guys are awesome. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking this type video you like. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.